Good morning, student. Today we will read a story, Birbal and his servant. King Akbar's favorite courtier was Birbal. Any problem that Akbar faced was referred to Birbal. Birbal, with his quick wit and judgment, easily solved them. Students, you have heard many stories about Akbar and Birbal. Birbal was a very famous courtier. Courtier means a person who works in king's court. Birbal was so intelligent that he solved King Akbar's problem very easily. With his intelligence, he was famous for his cleverness. One day, a landlord came to Akbar's court and complained of a robbery. Do you suspect anyone for the robbery? Said Akbar. Birbal said, Yes. Yes, sir, my four servant. But I do not know who was committed crime, said the man. Send them to the court, said Birbal. One day a landlord came to Akbar's court and he complained of a robbery. Birbal asked about any suspect. Suspect means a person who thought to be guilty of a crime. Birbal asked some caution. Landlord told that there were four servants in his house. Then Birbal said to send them in the court. Okay. When four servants arrived at the court, Birbal gave each servant a stick. He then said, The stick of the thief will become longer by 5 inches in an hour. In 1 hour. The servants had to stay in the palace for that hour. Now, when they arrived, Birbal gave a stick of equal length to all the servants. And then he said that the stick of the real thief will be longer by 5 inches in an hour. All the servants should be present here again after 1 hour with their stick, and till then they would stay at palace. Now the thief in the fright shortened his stick by 5 inches. 1 hour later, the servants were told to hold up their stick. Birbal announced the servant with the shortest stick was the thief. Now, the real thief in fright, he shortened his stick. After 1 hour, Birbal called all the servants. One of the servants had his stick shorter by 5 inches. Now Birbal said, This is your thief. Okay? Birbal explained to Akbar, a dead stick cannot grow. The thief in his guilt did not think and broke his stick. Akbar was very happy with Birbal's decision. The thief was sent to jail and the landlord was also returned his money. Okay, now Birbal explained that a non-living thing cannot grow. And the real thief in his guilt, he cut his stick. In this way, they caught the real thief and he was sent to jail. And Akbar became very happy. Okay, so एक जो लैंडलॉर्ड था एक बारी वो राजा अकबर के पास आया और उसने कहा कि मेरे यहाँ पर रॉबरी हो गई, चोरी हो गई है। जब बीरबल ने उससे पूछा कि तुम्हें किस पे शक है, तो बीरबल ने बोला कि मेरे यहाँ लैंडलॉर्ड ने बोला कि उसके यहाँ 4 सर्वेंट काम करते हैं, अब ये नहीं पता कि किसने चोरी की है। ठीक है, तो बीरबल ने कहा कि ठीक है, आप उन सबको बुला के लेना। जब वो आ गए चारों सर्वेंट, तो बीरबल ने उन सबको एक एक स्टिक दी सेम लेंथ की और बोला कि जो भी रियल थीफ है, रियल जिसने सच में चोरी करी है, असली चोर जो है, उसकी स्टिक 5 इंच जो है बड़ी हो जाएगी। ओके, और तब तक जो है तुम्हें महल में ही रहना है। अब जो रियल थीफ था उसके मन में गिल्ट था, उसको गिल्ट था कि मैंने गलत काम किया है, और इस गिल्ट के कारण उसने ना तो कुछ सोचा, उसने क्या करा कि अपनी जो है स्टिक को छोटा कर दिया। उसने सोचा सच में बढ़ जाएगी तो मैं पकड़ा जाऊंगा, इसलिए उसने पहले ही छोटी कर दी। अब 1 घंटे बाद जब बीरबल ने उसको बुलाया उन सबको, तो जिसकी स्टिक छोटी थी, बीरबल ने बोला कि यही चोर है। ओके, अब उन्होंने क्या एक्सप्लेनेशन दी कि कोई भी नॉन लिविंग थिंग है, जो डेड थिंग है, वो कभी भी ग्रो नहीं करती। ओके, लेकिन जो चोर जो है उसके मन में गिल्ट था, उसके मन में पछतावा था, उसके मन में था कि मैंने गलत काम किया है, इसलिए अपने गिल्ट के कारण ही वो पकड़ा गया। ओके, आई होप यू लाइक दिस स्टोरी। ओके, थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे।